So it is now or never. The price of Bitcoin must choose a trend direction next. Whether it's going to be a breakdown or a breakout, it doesn't matter. But we have to decide an actual trend duration, because if we look at this price action in a different time frame using different scenarios, we are definitely being flashed with some very interesting moves. So before I start talking about it, I want you guys to do me a favor and quickly destroy that like button. And to those individuals watching this for the first time, to hit that subscribe button. And also a friendly reminder to those individuals who have not claimed this free 200 USDT position airdrop from Bybit, either Bitcoin USDT position airdrop or Ethereum USDT position airdrop. So if you are unaware about these bonuses, please check the video description. Now, looking at this price action of Bitcoin in a 4-hour time frame, you can see, guys, we are still following this rising wedge, a bearish continuation pattern, and price of Bitcoin is still facing resistance around this upper trend line. And I have been very clear about this move. If the price of Bitcoin is going to break out from this upper trend line and flip that into support, then this will be looked as a continuation pattern. Even though this rising wedge is a bearish scenario, it is going to get invalidated once the price finds support above this upper trend line, which in the past price action rejected us. So you can see this trend line must be flipped into support. But if you look at the price structure around that area, I mean around this area here in a smaller time frame, you can see, guys, the price of Bitcoin, this is in an hourly time frame, the price of Bitcoin looks like following this symmetrical triangle breakout formation, which is a bullish continuation pattern. So in a smaller time frame, we might see some more range bound price showing some bullishness, but I want you guys to wait until we flip this upper trend line resistance into proper support before looking for any long opportunity, because we know once the price breaks out of this range, I mean out of this upper trend line, then even the price opportunity from this leading indicator, the monthly add to line, will be on the line. I mean, this add to line might be attracting us for now, which sits around 77,800 or let's say 78,000. So we definitely want this upper trend line resistance to get broken. Once we do that, this add to line and even up to this add 3 line will be looked as our upcoming target. Yes, guys, 77,800 even up to 91,000 will be on the line once the price flips this resistance into proper support. Beside this example, guys, there is also another example which is pointing us the price might actually see a move up to 91,000 before deciding the trend duration. I mean, if you look at this broadening wedge formation or megaphone pattern in a bigger time frame, this one is in a weekly time frame. The upper trend line in the past price action acted as a line of resistance. Lower trend line acted as a line of support. So right now, if this here is going to be a continuation pattern, then you can see this upper trend line from this megaphone pattern or broadening wedge might be attracting us. And if this here is going to continue further here to the upside, you can see, guys, the upper trend line also sits around 96,000. So that's why this 90,000 could be on the line if the price manages to flip the upper trend line resistance into proper support, because by doing that, add 2 will be on the line, 77,800, and even up to monthly add 3 line. And if that happens, I mean, if the price does shows another continuation here to the upside, then we know this parabolic curve pattern, the step-like formation, might be playing out as well. I mean, price after some range bound could show a final move towards the sell point, which could be again around 91,000. We could go a little bit higher according to this analysis, but we know around that area that might be the sell point. So that's why, guys, bigger frame, yes, price of Bitcoin looks bullish. Even this inverted scale is clearly pointing us that if we are going to follow this cup and handle type of formation, I mean this inverted cup and handle type of formation, then above 100,000 could be on the line, but we are being realistic. I mean, if we are going to see price of Bitcoin around 90,000, we are happy, because so far things are playing out perfectly. Price was following this symmetrical triangle breakout type of formation and started consolidating, just like I shown you an example before, heading here to the upside. So if we are going to see price of Bitcoin following this exact move, then you can see, guys, we are expecting after some range bound further more impulsive move, because in a bigger frame, this Livermore pivotal point theory is also playing out perfectly. After breaking the previous high, it has given us another buying opportunity, and since then you can see the price of Bitcoin has done very bullish. So in the medium short term, even if the price starts showing weakness, another 10 even up to 20% retracement, then I don't want you guys to panic, because in that case we have to break some of the most important support for Bitcoin. First one is this monthly R1 line, which is around 69,000, and even the support from this CPI line, which sits around 58,000. This would be the worst case target for now. I mean, another 10-20% drop, but for medium short term, we have extremely important support for Bitcoin around 69,000. Not just only because of this CPI indicator, but even according to this simple horizontal trend line, because this horizontal trend line in the past price action acted as a line of resistance, right? And even as support. So if we are going to show weakness, get attracted towards the trend line one more time, then you can see, guys, this here, right, this horizontal trend line will be acting as support. The monthly R1 line will be acting as support, and even this Williams alligator indicator and CryptoAnup buy sell indicator. And I'm sure you guys are aware about this support. I mean, I have been talking about this since a couple of days. Any sort of a retracement, this Williams alligator indicator will be acting as support in case of retracement, along with our CryptoAnup buy sell indicator. So to those individuals asking me, Anup, where can I find this CryptoAnup buy sell indicator, guys, please join our Telegram group, because you will find all the source code there. Our personal indicators is also available there. So if you want to grab this opportunity and claim this indicator for free, then the time to act is now. I mean, along with the bonuses, you will also find the link to join our Telegram group. So guys, this is it for today. Until next time, I'm signing out. Bye bye.